for no reason. Take a normal breathe in, breathe out. Become aware of your surrounding, the room in which you are sitting. Decluttered. The fresh air, the sunshine, the brightness, all the noises. Become aware of the top of your head and start releasing all your muscles, all the tissues, every cell is relaxing. Drop your whole weight to the floor. Feel the portion of your body in contact with the ground and know that you are sitting on the lap of your Mother Earth. Very, very protected. This body is a beautiful gift from the divine. Honor your body. This body is a gift of nature. Aware of your thoughts, coming and going. Nothing to hold on. Let them come. Give them the right place. Know that you are not your thoughts. You are much, much bigger. Wait for the next thought to come. And notice your feelings. Be with it, whether it may be pleasant, unpleasant. And become aware who is experiencing the feeling. Shift your focus from all your experiences to the experiencer. I am resting. I am love. I myself is peace. The source. The source of all possibilities. The source of energy. I am joy. Take a normal breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in with a smile and breathe out with that joy. Become aware of your feelings, aware of your thoughts. Now you have all the clarity to which thought I should act and which I should neglect. Become aware of your body, your arms, your legs, all your limbs, your face, and the smile. Aware of your surroundings, the space, the environment, the time in which you are in. Again, take a normal breathe in, breathe out, breathe in with a smile And breathe out with that smile, becoming aware of your body and your surroundings. With a smile, happily, joyfully, you may open your eyes. Good. Enjoy. Happy. Your happiness is in my hand. I should decide how you should behave. And I said, told in the beginning, no? I know each and every one of you. We know each of you personally from within. What you should have is the trust. We started the session yesterday with the theme that become new. We decided to revive ourselves and we started imposing that disciplines in our life. And I am amazed to see each of your performance yesterday and the last 2 days. And we want the same, but for few, we want 100% commitment and participation from your side. And today is the day of, today our theme is, you are what you eat. You are what you eat. And you are not just eating the food. Every moment you are eating, your eyes are watching, ears are hearing, skin is experiencing. All the five senses, we keep it on engaged all the 24 hours. Even when you sleep, you are dreaming. So the food is the most important thing. You all have given a diet chart. And it is up to you how much you participate and practice. But let me guide you, let me tell you, give you a few glimpses of what we do. The food. The food we eat should nourish all the levels of our existence, body, mind, and soul.
Children, sit properly. Venkat, tell Nisha to sit there and come forward.
See, you are sitting in the essence of the program, the most important part of the program. It is not that while you are doing yoga, yoga will make you do. And I said, your participation, commitment, sincerity, open-mindedness will give you the result of the program. You are participating in the lifestyle modification, life-changing program. Which children are moving, ask them to go to the room. Now, let me tell you, the food we eat should nourish our body, nourish our mind, and nourish the spirit, the soul. And the food comes under that category are called sattvic food. And that is what there in abundance in the task what has given, the diet chart. All the food which can be eaten raw coming under those category, which will nourish your body, nourish your mind, and nourish your spirit, which need not to be cooked or which need not to be altered or modified. And the second type of food, because we are living, every moment we are acting, the whole life is filled with action, and certain stuff we need to improve the strength and our activity, which we call rajasic food. all the food which cannot be eaten without cooking. You are cooking, adding a lot of things into it, altering it. But it should be in the right proportion, right order. And we have enough classes during the process, during the Friday session and all, but some are new. So that is the reason I am telling all this now. Rajasic food is very, very important to strengthen your body, but it is not at all good for your mind and spirit. So we should have in that way, that ratio, we should maintain. And the tamasic food, we need a little bit of tamas also in the body so that we will be able to rest, we will be able to sleep. But it should not be more than that. Tamasic food is good for your physical body, but not at all good for the mind and spirit. You will be very lazy, you will be very lethargic if you take that stuff more. And the second thing, what all people think about when we think about food is, where should I get my protein? Where should I get my carbohydrate? Or where should I get my calories? You need not bother about any calories or bother about any carbohydrate, protein, or fat. Though you have the ratio 15% of protein, 25% of fat, and 60% of the carbohydrate our body requires. But you need not worry about that if you take care of your food, making half of the food fruits and vegetables. Half of the fruit should be the grains, lentils, tubers, and other things. Or another way, we told you already that 1/3 of fruits, 1/3 of vegetables, and 1/3 of other things. Grains, lentils, tubers, what we normally eat. That is called balanced food. And the one most important factor other way is your body is 80% of alkaline values and 20% of acidic value. If the alkaline value is not there, slightly above, you will not be able to flush out the toxins and impurities from your body. So that you should be aware while handling your food also. You should have more alkaline food and very less of acidic food. Now what we eat, more of us are acidic. And all the acidic food coming under tamasic quality. So reduce the tamasic intake, acidic food intake we should reduce. Okay, and the last important thing about food is what all things you should have together, combination. And there is no time to guide you in all steps. That is why the diet chart is being given. You need to just follow that with 100% faith that you are nourishing your body as well as you are nourishing your mind and the soul. Now what we discussed is about the food for the body, and your mind also need food, and mind is the source of mind have enough possibilities of action which is happening inside and outside. How much action do you do outside with the mind? That much or much more than that of it we do inside. If you put a small little piece of anything inside your stomach, your mind is conscious about that, and it does all the work though you are sleeping at night to digest it and to eliminate that stuff from your body. And your mind is a treasure of all the possibilities. So we should nourish our mind. And without your body, we can never nourish our mind. Your totality of the energy produced by your body is your mind. So every cell in your body should function well. Every small little food also should nourish your mind. That way we should have our food. And that way we should do activity, respiration, circulation, nutrition, excretion. All are important to have a beautiful mind, clear and concise mind. And this is the food for your mind. And now we need food for our soul. What our soul wants and longs for all the time is to have a little rest. And the food for your soul is meditation. That is what right now you experience. How beautiful it was. 8 minutes of meditation, given you all your energy, took you in harmony with the nature, and you get all the power of nature. You get all the strength what is there in the nature in 5-10 minutes of meditation every day. And this is what I'd be told, that you are what you eat, you are what you do. And now about food, we are coming in more and more deep into the sessions, more and more coming deep into the important part of the sports. So today teacher will guide you about other things, the task, the food, and how you should involve yourself.
Okay, good morning. Whatever task I given, few are still pending to do. Yes or no? Yeah. Then that is very important to do. That not finished. Still you continue whatever task, means drinking lemon and salt water and massage your body. Everything is continue, and cleaning your surroundings, room and yoga, all everything. It is very important to clean properly and arrange well your yoga hall. Okay, if two person are doing, you arrange one yoga hall and one bedroom or wherever. Clean it properly. Everybody do the cleaning also. We are doing the body cleaning, same time our surroundings also. That you will continue. Then walking 20 minutes I told that people are doing, still not started, you start it, and those who are doing and your health is okay, then you can increase the speed and the time. You can do little brisk walking, but aware of your limitation. Then one video I am sending for warm up. That is morning to evening, morning and evening to practice before yoga. Walk a little bit and then do warming up video, and then practice video also I send. Now already send it everything. That is little more, few more posters are there. New people, those who are not learned that, but others can practice that one. New people practice how much you learned and whatever is possible for you. Aware of your limitation. Okay, we have enough time to improve our flexibility, stamina, everything. When we take care of our food, it will increase automatically. Okay, then self massage you did already. Those who are, the proper way to do self massage and steam, I sent already the PDF file. Read it clearly and clear your doubts and then do it. Okay, self massage do, and that it is not in the bathroom. Just you sit in your room and put a plastic sheet or something or towel and do it, and you have a small meditation also in between. Just keep your eye, after massage, just keep your eyes closed and sit little bit, and then you can do the steam. That also clearly written in that PDF file. Read it properly. Then
so you have two tasks. One is massaging, other is putting you under steam.
Then one more thing, make a salad. Whatever things I told to avoid, that you should take care. Make a salad. If both husband and wife or family members are doing, it is separate for everybody. Husband will make a salad, wife will make a salad, children will make a salad. Not today, tomorrow, coming days. And then take a photo, properly arrange it and take a photo and put it in the group with these ingredients. Okay, recipe. Is it clear now? And you will learn everything. This 1 month is a learning period, and then next month is you apply. Okay, then properly do these processes. Brisk walk, you take care. Those who are healthy and you have the stamina to do, only do, otherwise normal walking. Okay, then one more thing, the sattvic, rajasic and tamasic, if you have any doubt, sattvic is not cooked food, that anyway you know, fruits and vegetables, everything. Rajasic we can have with cooking, there is no salt, there is no masala also we can have, means steamed vegetable like that things, no, that we can have. But without adding any masala, we can't eat some type of food. What is coming under that non-vegetarian food, like that food, no? That is tamasic food. Then take care of the food. To do these all processes, diet chart is very, very important. Okay, we will go through now. First chart we have little bit masalas and all. Then we will go, because onion, garlic, and mushroom, everything will be negative energy. We will avoid that all things in coming days. Okay, the commitment is very, very important. Then alkaline acidic value, it is ratio 80% alkaline content and 20% acidic content, means you have more vegetables and vegetable juices, fruits and fruit juices. It automatically will maintain the ratio. If you have more cooked food, then it will be acidic value will be more, than we are sick. When you will get any of the health issues, means you are more acidic content body. That ratio is very important. Okay, then okay, I think finished. Then task, everything I send in the group. Though I'm not calling, I'm not telling the name those who are not done or responded. It is must. Those who joined our course should be very committed to your own body and mind. You should reduce your sleeping time little bit and do yoga and meditation. Then you will get time for everything. Okay, I'm doing that only. I am sleeping maybe for 5 hours only, but waking up early morning to do the things for my, and then only I'm taking care of others. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, task also, then continue the task properly, whatever you missed. Okay, massage weekly, 2 or 3 days you can do the self massage. This program we designed already. These all we are doing here, those who are admitting, but now it is not possible maybe in this full year, so that we this program designed like this, to do the, anyway you will get 80% result. Not 100%, those who are admitting here. Okay, clear everything?
You are so lucky to have such a course in your home, no?
Don't do anything before clearing your doubt. Okay, you clear your doubts and then only do the task.
You are so lucky to have this at your doorstep. And slight modification here and there. No hard and fast thing we are not imposing on you. You are requested to take the fresh, energetic, and sattvic food. What else we can do if we are not able to do that at this time when we have nothing else to do? And anyway, you have enrolled to the course, 1 month program. All the 24 hours you are in the course. That is the beauty of this course. How many courses we have done in our life, and what not qualification you have in your life, how much knowledge you possess, and what value if you are not able to apply that in your life. We are just asking that apply, implement, practice, live in knowledge. This 1 month can change your life forever. You will be the most energetic one in the world. That is the beauty of the program. And we are there with you at every step. Each difficulty you experience, you should put in the group or to her personally, if it is that much personal. Because your participation, involvement, and the feedback is the basis of the program. Got it now?
Okay.
I am emphasizing little bit more for those who have not responded or those who have not sending their feedback. Without feedback, because you are so far away from each of us. So we should move together. Happy?
Little bit strict we need now, otherwise you will okay. Don't worry, but aware of your limitation.
Any question if you want to ask, you can unmute your video and ask us.
Yeah, anybody have some questions? Anything? Then raise your hands. Wait, 1 minute.
Unmute your video.
Yeah. Unmuted.
Yeah,
Tell
yeah.
me, Viji.
Yeah, see, for Krishnan, no, he cannot reduce his weight. So we have to follow the same food for him also.
Yeah, he will not reduce. He can have the quality food. You can increase the quantity.
Okay.
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 And
And
chapati all are having. He can have 4 chapati also, but you should maintain the quality.
okay.
Yeah.
And I'm taking diabetic medicine, so I will continue to take diabetic.
Whatever medicines you are taking, you continue, and then you measure your sugar level and inform me personally. Then I will tell when to reduce the tablet. Anyway,
Okay.
we are following the proper diet. There will be no need of any tablet, but mentally you are, that is you need that tablet. Otherwise, your mind will disturb. That is why you continue few more days, and we will reduce little bit dosage.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody have? Yeah. Okay, bye.
Shalini, you are okay? How do you feel now? Could you do something?
Unmute your video. You did no breathing part. You did no.
I did, but those
Today also that shivering is there. Okay,
Yes.
don't worry.
You relax well now. Now rest for some hours.
Have some juice or something, fruits, or then you relax. Because when we are doing this much breathing, no, the oxygen and blood is going to each and every cell. Then we will get some shivering and all. Okay, no problem. All are fine.
Okay, then have a nice, energetic, happy, enthusiastic day.
Okay, Babida, Anida. Okay, see you. Bye. Tomorrow we have evening Zoom session, Yoga Day celebration. Okay, I will send the link. Then Monday and Wednesday you will get follow-up session. That also you will get the meeting link. And the next session is Friday and Sunday next week. No change. Friday and Sunday. Okay.
Those who have done the Art of Living apartment program and
Yeah.
Sudarshan Kriya, those who are able to do, then they can come in the evening 6:30. We have an online Sudarshan Kriya session. 6:30 evening you can join.
Yeah.
After finishing your task and other thing.
Today follow-up is there
Today
for
evening.
the Sudarshan
Okay.
Kriya. That link also
That
will be
also
forward.
will be forwarded the link to you.
Okay, bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.